Hello and welcome back to AJ classes. As you have seen in the screen, it is showing experiment number 5, which we are going to do this now. This reaction is decomposition reaction. It is coming from the reaction family, जहां पर बोला जाता है कि there are 4 types of reaction. Okay, basically there are 4 types of reaction. The first one is synthesis reaction. Okay. Then there is displacement reaction, and then there is decomposition reaction, in which the reactants are broken down into series of products. Okay, so this one is a decomposition reaction in which we are going to experiment with ferrous sulfate. As you can see on the screen on the left hand side, the reaction has been shown there. When ferrous sulfate FeSO4 is being heated, it changes its color from light green to white. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how does ferrous sulfate looks like. This is the ferrous sulfate we are going to use. This is light green color, as you can see on your screen. We are going to add this in the test tube, and then we are going to burn it with the help of matchstick and the burning candle, and then we are going to see what the reaction is going to give us. As we have known from the theory portion, which I always repeat, so I am repeating once again कि theory important है, no matter, but उसके साथ साथ अगर practical भी हो जाता है ना, तो this changes your view of thinking कि हाँ पढ़ाई कैसे किया जाता है. ये नहीं कि खाली theory. Practical is also necessary. So I hope you will enjoy this video. It's a humble request that please do share more and more. अभी हमको बीच में गैप देना पड़ेगा. ये एक्सपेरिमेंट होने के बाद बीच में शब बारात इज देयर, सो वैसे भी रिएक्शन बाहर में बहुत ज़्यादा होता रहेगा, सो देयर विल बी अ डिस्टर्बेंस. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर गोइंग टू postpone this 6th experiment after 4 days. Maybe on Sunday or Monday I will release it, the physics experiment. We will be trying electromagnetic induction. Okay, so let's move on to performing the experiment. Now performing the experiment, we have taken ferrous sulfate into the test tube, as you can see in your screen. From this ferrous sulfate, as you can see, it is a light green type of crystals, which we are going to change it to white with the help of this spatula. As you can see on the screen, we have picked the ferrous sulfate from this spatula, and we have transformed that ferrous sulfate into the test tube. I know it will take longer because we are using a burning candle instead of a spirit lamp, because the amount of heat energy required will be more. Nevertheless, I will fast forward the experiment, or we will just wait for the result. So now I am all set. Holding this ferrous sulfate in my hand using the test tube holder, and we are all set to perform. What are we going to observe? We are going to observe that the color of the ferrous sulfate will change from light green to white. I am trying to tilt it because texture में फिर काला कालापन आने लगता है, as I can remember it from my previous experiences of class 12. The reaction has started taking place, as you can also hear if you listen carefully. Some air will be liberated from it, and then we will obtain that white color. As you can see on the screen, there are some vapors which is forming on the top portion of the test tube, which indicates that a gas is being released. And as I am looking inside, थोड़ा थोड़ा powdery shape का हो गया है. ये ferrous sulfate black हो रहा because of the test tube and the candles direct form of use. हम इसको वॉच ग्लास में डाल देंगे ताकि हमको ऑब्टेन हो सके जो चीज़ हम लोग ऑब्टेन करने आए हैं फॉर डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. I've extinguished the fire and we have observed this white color. If you look closely in your screen, you will be able to see it. I'm going to show you in the watch glass. That is the ferrous oxide from the reaction, and SO2 and SO3 was released, which we have taken special care not to inhale it, because if you are going to inhale it, then adverse effect of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide might occur in your body. Okay, so you need to take special attention while doing especially chemistry experiments. Now look onto the screen. If you're able to see it, I'm going to zoom it so that you're able to see. Yeah, this is, you can see it's a white color crystal, which is nothing but Fe2O3, and SO2 and SO3 you have observed it when we were doing the heating. Okay, this is the Fe2O3 from the reaction which you have studied in your reaction. So this is an example of a decomposition reaction in which the light green colored ferrous sulfate is changed into white Fe2O3. Okay, Fe2O3 क्या होगा? फेरिक ऑक्साइड. आयरन का वेरिएबल वैलेंसी होता है, वो सब भी आएगा. बस ये एक्सपेरिमेंट का सीरीज एटलीस्ट 10-20 तक चले जाए, फिर आई विल ट्राई टू come up with something new which will be beneficial for both of your ICSE and CBSE or whatever board you are studying in. So today also I'm all you can see, as you can see from your screen, I'm all tired up और काफ़ी मेहनत लगता है और लगन से आप लोग के लिए बना रहे हैं वीडियो. तो प्लीज़ इसको जल्द से जल्द जितना ज़्यादा हो सके शेयर करिए. हर एक फैमिली मेम्बर्स को तो शेयर कर ही देना है. उसके अलावा इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ हेल्पफुल यार, ये सब हेल्पफुल है. ये नहीं कि खाली बस थ्योरी पढ़ना है, प्रैक्टिकल भी जानना है ताकि दिमाग में अटे ये सब चीज़. थैंक यू, दैट्स ऑल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एजे क्लासेस. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.